All right, we got card digging here. 2 boxes of Contenders Football 2014. Good luck. Still have yet to see an Odell Beckham. Let's make it happen. Let's see one of those silver or gold tickets also. All right, start off with the redemption. Rookie ticket, RPS variation, Jarvis Landry. And Marshawn Lynch, playoff ticket, number 2/199. Andre Williams, Rookie of the Year. Cody Latimer, Draft Class. And Rashid Hagman, playoff ticket autograph, number 2/199. Is that the guy they called Cupcake on Hard Knocks this past year? I think it was. Pretty sure they called him Cupcake. Brady to Amendola. Oh, it's a different guy? Felt bad for that guy, Cupcake. Brown and McKinnon. Round numbers. And Rookie Inc., Asa Watson. Ronnie Lott, Legendary Contenders. LaMarcus Joyner, Championship ticket, 25/99.
I got excited for like 10 of a second, and then I remembered.
Yep. That'll do it to you. It's funny, the Super Bowl tickets aren't even that shiny.
Really?
I don't think they are. Terrence West. Anybody seen any of the Super Bowl ticket 101s yet in person? When I saw online, they didn't look like they were as shiny as the championship tickets. Blake Bortles, Draft Class. A Rashad Ross, Rookie ticket. First one of those we've seen. Romo to Bryant. Can't stand either of you. Sammy Watkins and Mike Evans around numbers in our last pack to finish it up. We've got a Devin Street rookie ticket. Look at that. Went without a Panini Rewards card. It might have been the first box. All right, and box number 2. Tony Dorsett, Legendary Contenders. Rookie ticket. Ooh, nice cracked ice. Numbered 1/22. Calvin Pryor. That's the third cracked dice we've pulled. Very nice. Love those cracked dice hits. Bridgewater, Rookie of the Year. Andre Williams, draft class. And Panini Rewards, 150 points. Griffin to Pierre Garçon, touchdown tandems. That didn't really materialize this year, now did it? Kadeem Carey, D'Anthony Thomas, round numbers. And rookie ticket, Allen Robinson. Rookie ticket of Richard Rodgers. Oh, nice. Sweet. Numbered 65 of 99. Playoff ticket autograph, Sammy Watkins. Beauty right there. Excellent hit on the Watkins. Matt Ryan, Julio Jones, touchdown tandems. Aaron Murray, AJ McCarron, round numbers. And championship ticket autograph, 56 of 99. So weird to say that. Jared Abbrederis. Jenkins and Amaro, round numbers to 199. Watkins, Rookie of the Year, to go along with the playoff ticket autograph. And our last pack, Degen, we will finish with Johnny Football, draft class insert. All right, buddy. Congratulations on the Watkins and the cracked ice auto. I'll get it right out to you, buddy. Later.